Deep cleaning on HP Elitebook 840G7 laptop. Thank you to Sir Ed Vanaz for trusting PTT IT Solutions. Deep cleaning on a laptop is highly recommendable as it plays a crucial role in maintaining optimal performance, preventing overheating, and extending the overall lifespan of the device. Over time, dust, dirt, and debris accumulate inside the laptop, particularly in cooling fans, heat sinks, and ventilation areas, which can obstruct airflow and reduce cooling efficiency. Regular deep cleaning helps restore proper cooling functionality, ensuring that the laptop runs efficiently without the risk of overheating or sudden shutdowns. It also helps in reducing fan noise, improving battery performance, and preventing dust-related circuit malfunctions. At PTT IT Solutions, we take immense pride in offering precise and reliable laptop repair services. Our skilled technicians use advanced tools and methods to ensure that every repair is handled with the utmost care. Deep cleaning is done. Visit our shop to avail our service and have your deep cleaning too. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.